Ready to deck the gel plate this holiday season? I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my studio. It's Christmas in the studio and we're getting holly jolly with the fabulous Holly LaLaLa stencil by Rhonda Dohna for pmartiststudio. I'm diving into both traditional and unexpected colored combos to create layered, textured prints that sparkle with Christmas cheer, even one with a touch of gold glam to seal the deal, using only this stencil. So grab your cocoa, warm up your brayer, let's slay this gel print session. This stencil is called Holly LaLaLa and it's a Rhonda Dohna stencil. And it's a really, really lovely Christmas stencil. I hadn't used it last year. I got it after Christmas, so I thought, oh, maybe we'll use it this year. Let's start with Lumiere Halo Blue Gold. Yeah, that's going to do just a little bit of crazing. So let's let that dry. Let's use this turquoise phthalo. I have talked a lot in my videos about an isolation coat. I want to pull this with red, but I'd like to maintain all of that beautiful shimmer and shine that's on there with that turquoise phthalo. So I'm going to add an isolation coat. What is an isolation coat? An isolation coat is done with a pearlescent color, protects the layer that you have here. It's like adding a layer of matte medium or gloss medium to your gel plate. It protects the colors so that the colors don't mix. It's all about how light is refracted and reflected through the suspended pearlescent colors that are in this paint. This is the pearl blue. It's going to protect this blue-green color, and the blue is going to enhance the turquoise phthalo and the halo blue gold that's on there. We'll let that dry. We're going to pull this with Pyrrole Red. And it's going to look a little darker because we used the blue pearlescent color, but it is definitely going to maintain the green. Okay, let's let that sit. We'll come back and pull it when it's ready. That's how the print on a well-conditioned plate pulls. That's gorgeous. This is Pyrrole Red Dark. We're going to add red, a dark red, over the top of our print. I think that'll look nice. Let's add a little iridescent bright gold fine. Okay, that made a difference. I was not liking this print before, but now that just gave it the depth that I think it needed. Off camera, you already saw me do this once, I added my turquoise phthalo with the halo green gold on it first. I'm going to pull the stencil off of this, like so. Because the red one, I wasn't in love with it. I liked it once I put the gold on it, but I thought I'm going to try it again and do blues. So I'll be back when this is dry. Let's add another layer to this blue. Now I let this dry overnight. I used this side before. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to use this turquoise blue deep from Aura, and this is a little bit more of a, oh, it's a little heavier paint. Let's turn this over. Oh yeah, look at that. That is going to be stunning. I think we might put one more layer in behind it. That will have to dry. I think we'll add a gold layer to this. And it will put this turquoise blue just a little green. But I think that'll be okay. This pale gold from Aura. Let's look at it from the back. Oh yeah, that is kind of lovely. Very nice. We'll let that dry. I think we'll pull this one with cobalt blue. Oh yeah, that will be beautiful. Lots of layers on there, so we'll have to let this sit probably overnight before I can pull it. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. My pull color is my 5th layer. Why not one more color combination? I think we'll go with this halo pink gold. And we'll let that dry. Let's add this Quin magenta behind all of this. And I offset it slightly. I didn't do it intentionally, but I think it's going to make it look kind of cool. A little bit of a shadowed effect. Then I think we'll do the same thing to this one, using that same gold color. It's going to be very, very subtle on this one because I didn't use a whole lot of paint. But you can see it back there. I think we'll lay this down again and do one more layer on this one. And let's do Quin Violet. Let's turn this over. Yeah, that's going to be really pretty. I'm thinking about pulling this with dioxazine purple. Let that dry. Let's pull this one with dioxazine purple. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. Really lovely. Okay, we'll be back when it's ready to pull. Very, very nice. you can't see a lot of the pink in it. The purple kind of obliterated that, but you still get all the gold with a hint of pink, so I guess it's okay. There you have it. 3 festive gel prints, each with their own unique holiday flair, using the Holly LaLaLa stencil by Rhonda Dohna for pmartiststudio. Whether you love traditional Christmas colors or like to mix it up with non-traditional palettes, I hope this inspired you to get playful with your prints. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment telling me your favorite Christmas color combo. And are you team traditional or non-traditional Christmas colors? Subscribe for more mixed media fun. Hit the bell because you don't want to miss anything. Until next time, happy printing, and I will see you in my next video.